A glimpse of India. Introduction. Background music, soft, traditional Indian instrumental. Narrator, N. Namaste. Welcome to the enchanting land of India, where diversity blends seamlessly with unity. In just 2 minutes, we will take you on a mesmerizing journey through the rich tapestry of this incredible country. Scene 1, Diversity of Cultures. N. Diverse cultural visuals of India. N. India, a land of a billion dreams, embraces a myriad of cultures, languages, and traditions. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sunny beaches of Goa, every region boasts its distinct charm. Scene 2, Landmarks and Heritage. N. Iconic landmarks like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, and others. N. Steeped in history, India showcases architectural marvels that stand the test of time. The majestic Taj Mahal, a symbol of eternal love, the ancient Qutub Minar, and many more reflect the grandeur of our past. Scene 3, Festivals and Celebrations. N. Vibrant festival celebrations. N. Festivals in India are a riot of colors and emotions. Diwali illuminates the night skies with lights, Holi splashes joy with vibrant hues, and Eid unites hearts in celebration. Scene 44, Technology and Innovation. N. Modern India with technological advancements. N. As we celebrate our ancient heritage, India also strides confidently into the future with remarkable technological innovations, contributing to the global stage. Conclusion. Visuals of the Indian flag waving. India, a nation of dreams, a land of unity in diversity, beckons you to explore its soul-stirring beauty. Come, immerse yourself in the magic of India, where every step is a journey of revelation.